Tour Montparnasse stands 689 feet tall. It has one of the best observation decks of Paris. From its terrace, visitors will be able to see the most important monuments of the city. Ticket of the tour for the adults is €18, 12 to 18 years old youth for €13.50, children 4 to 11 years old €9.5, free entry with the Paris Pass. If you plan to visit the Montparnasse Tower, I recommend buying tickets in advance. This way, you will make sure to reserve your spot and even get a small discount. You can buy them through the web at the following link. Travelers climb to its observation decks on the 56th and 59th floors to enjoy some of the best views of Paris. One of the Montparnasse's great advantages is that it provides great views of Eiffel Tower, something impossible to see if you climb up this monument to see the scenery. The best photos of the city can be taken 3 floors up on the 59th floor from this observation terrace. You will see Paris as if it were miniature. After having taken a lift in Europe's fastest elevator, visitors will get off on the 56th floor to see a stunning bird's eye view of the city, protected by the building's large windows, as well as enjoying the panoramic views. You can find out some curious facts about the city through multimedia apps, or else travel back in time and visit Paris years ago during the exhibition of old photographs of the capital. The best photos of the city can be taken 3 floors up on the 59th floor from this observation terrace. You will see Paris as if it were miniature. Opened in 1973, the Tour Montparnasse was the first office building to be built in the center of Paris. It was the subject of great controversy, as many Parisians believed that the skyscraper clashed with the rest of the city architecture. Presently, near 5,000 people work on one of the building's 53 floors, while over 750,000 travelers climb to its observation decks on the 56th and 59th floors to enjoy some of the best views of Paris. If I talk about the schedule of the tour, 1st April to 30th September, the timing is 9:30 a.m. to 11:30 p.m. 1st October to 31st March, timings are Sunday to Thursday 9:30 a.m. to 10:30 p.m. Friday and Saturday and the eve of public holidays, timings would be 9:30 a.m. to 11 p.m. From here, Catacombs of Paris is just 1.2 kilometers away. Jardin du Luxembourg is just 1.2 kilometers away. Church of Saint Sulpice is just 1.3 kilometers away. Musée Rodin is just 1.5 kilometers away. Les Invalides is just 1.6 kilometers away. It locates an Avenue de Marine 33. The presence of the tower in the central Paris has been very controversial since its construction and has been criticized for being its odds with Paris skyline. Following its inauguration, the municipality ruled it impossible for buildings over 7 floors high to be built in the center of Paris. Today, the Tour Montparnasse has become a true Parisian landmark with over 5,000 people working in the offices located in the tower. At the foot of the tower, there is a vast shopping mall and a busy metro station connected to the Gare Montparnasse, where trains head off to the French Atlantic coast and Spain. The Tour Montparnasse is one of France's tallest skyscrapers and as of June 2021 is ranked the 13th tallest building in the European Union. In France, the tower is the country's second tallest building. In the near future, two planned towers will overtake the height of the Tour Montparnasse. The tower has total of 7,200 windows. The structure weighs 130,000 tons. There are 6 underground levels. The foundations are 70-meter deep. The visit of Tour Montparnasse may seem odd when suggested to tourists, but the magnificent view from the top is one of Paris's most impressive panoramas and attracts 1.2 million visitors each year. Visitors access the 56th floor with one of Europe's fastest lifts. The 56th floor, called the panoramic floor, allowed the visitors to admire the breathtaking view protected from the wind and rain. The space is heated in the winter and air conditioned in the summer. It is accessible from the bottom floor of the tower by one of the fastest lifts in Europe. 38 seconds at speeds reaching 60 km per hour. The floor features interactive terminals and quizzes on Paris, a photographic exhibition on Paris, a souvenir shop and a cafe. The 59th floor is actually the outdoor roof terrace, which at 210 meter high offers a breathtaking 360-degree view of Paris. In clear weather, the view extends up to 40 kilometers from the lines of Charles de Gaulle and the Orly airports and the eastern suburb of Val-de-Marne and Seine-Marne. The 59th floor is only accessible by stairs from the 56th floor. The terrace has telescopes and interesting orientation tables that help locate the famous monument and landmarks of Paris. In 2011, the terrace was entirely renovated with curved panes of glass surrounding the viewing points. The panoramic view from the rooftop terrace of the Tour Montparnasse stretches over 40 kilometers. Most of Paris's famous monuments and landmarks can be seen from there. If you are new on my channel and haven't subscribed yet, then please do subscribe now so that you won't forget to see any of my blog ever. The curved UNESCO headquarters can also be seen to the left of the École Militaire. Thanks for watching the video. Please share and subscribe. Keep watching Varsha Jain blog. Now it's time to fun and dance. See you soon in a new blog.